Kids get gum stuck everywhere. Hair, toys, carpet, clothes. Today, I will tell you how to remove gum from your clothing without the use of harsh chemicals. Don't let the gum you just found stuck to your son's favorite dinosaur shirt trouble you. We could remove this without a lot of fuss, believe it or not. The items you'll need is a cookie sheet and a freezer. Take your clothing item and fold it so the gum is at the top. Lay the garment on a top of a cookie sheet and put it in the freezer. You're going to leave your gum-covered clothes in the freezer for a minimum of 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours, depending on how much gum is in there, on the clothes. Once your item has been in the freezer for a while, remove it, and your gum is going to be easy to it's going to be hard, and you're going to be able to pull it right off of the fabric. Do not put a stained item in your dryer, or the heat from your dryer will set the stain. Always use cold water and non-abrasive cleaners without harsh chemicals to remove a stain. Dry your clothing item after your stain has completely disappeared. If you must dry an item of clothing that still has a stain, your safest bet is to air dry it. Check back tomorrow and every day for DIY Your Life videos. Share this video with your friend, and please write down there where the thumbs up button is. Click it for me. Thank you, and I will see you tomorrow.